In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Google Calendar. If your Google Calendar feels cluttered, hiding calendars you don't need every day is a quick way to clean things up without deleting anything. I'll show you two simple methods on desktop. Both are safe, reversible, and keep all events intact. You're just removing a calendar from view so you can focus on what matters. Let's start by opening a Google Calendar. Head to google.com, then click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots in the top right, and choose Calendar. If you're already in Calendar, you're good to go. Once Calendar is open, look to the left side panel. Find the section labeled My Calendars. If you don't see it, hover near it or click the small arrow to expand the list. This area shows your visible calendars, each with its color. To hide one, move your mouse over the calendar name to reveal the three dots menu. Click those three dots, then choose Hide from List. That's it. The calendar disappears from your sidebar, and events from that calendar no longer display in your main view. Don't worry, nothing is deleted, and you can bring it back later. This method is great when you're already working in the calendar and want to quickly tidy up. Now here's the second method using settings, which also helps if you want a central place to manage several calendars at once. Look at the top of Google Calendar and click the gear icon, then choose Settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a list of your calendars. This is essentially the full roster for your account. Next to each calendar, you'll find an eye icon. Click the eye to hide that calendar from your list and your main view. If the icon shows as crossed out, that indicates the calendar is hidden. Clicking it again makes it visible. This approach is especially useful if a calendar doesn't appear in your sidebar or you want to toggle several calendars quickly. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Hiding a calendar is not the same as deleting or unsubscribing. It simply removes it from your daily view, and you can show it again anytime using the same menus. Shared calendars and secondary calendars behave the same way, and your changes sync across devices, so what you hide here won't clutter your phone either. That's all you need to keep your schedule clean and focused. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined Google Calendar.